Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Sarah.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I am fine, thank you. Sorry, what was your name again?
It's Sarah. No worries. This is my friend, Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. I'm David. Great to meet you. How are you doing today?
Can't complain. Just keeping busy.
Happy Friday. Any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Just taking it easy.
Where's Mark today?
He called in sick. He's got the flu.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
I am from Mexico, so what do you do?
I work in marketing.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, finally. It's been raining all week.
Oh, hey. I didn't expect to see you here.
Yeah, what a coincidence.
How do you know Lisa?
We went to college together.
I like your jacket.
Thanks. I just got it last week.
Want to hang out later?
Sure. What did you have in mind?
Are you free tomorrow afternoon?
Let me check. Yeah, I should be.
How about we meet at 3?
3 works for me.
Can we push it back an hour?
No problem. See you at 4 then.
I'm so sorry. Can we do this another time?
Of course. When's good for you?
What are you up to this weekend?
Nothing much. Why? What's up?
Want to join us for the movie?
I wish I could, but I've got other plans.
Where should we meet?
How about at the park entrance?
Do you need a ride?
That would be great, actually. Thanks.
Hey, I'm running about 10 minutes late.
No rush. Take your time.
I'm here. Where are you?
I'm by the fountain. I see you.
You look exhausted.
I am. It's been a long day.
Need any help with that?
Actually, yeah. Could you hold this?
Can you give me a hand with this?
Sure. What do you need?
I need to do laundry today.
Me too. I'm completely out of clean clothes.
What do you want for dinner?
I don't know. What do you feel like?
Can you get that? Someone's at the door.
Yeah, I got it.
Your phone's ringing.
Can you see who it is?
Have you seen my keys?
I think I saw them on the kitchen counter.
Is it just me or is it cold in here?
Yeah, it is a bit chilly.
I'm heading to bed. Good night.
Night. Sleep well.
Morning. You're up early.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep anymore.
Has the dog been fed yet?
Not yet. I'll do it now.
The trash needs to go out.
I'll take it out in a minute.
Could you turn that down a bit?
Oh, sorry. Is it too loud?
Excuse me, how do I get to Main Street?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
I think we're lost.
Let me check the map.
Does this bus go to downtown?
Yes, it does.
Traffic's terrible today.
I know. I've been stuck for 20 minutes.
How far is it from here?
About 15 minutes on foot.
Is there parking nearby?
There's a lot around the corner.
Quick! There's our bus.
Run! We can make it!
Oh no, I missed my stop.
Just get off at the next one.
Do I turn here?
No, not yet. The next one.
The GPS says turn right.
Are you sure? That doesn't look right.
Have you done the homework yet?
Not yet. Is it due tomorrow?
How did you do on the test?
Not great. It was harder than I expected.
I missed class yesterday. What did I miss?
Not much. Just some notes on Chapter 5.
Did you understand what she said?
Not really. I'm completely lost.
Is the boss in today?
No, he's working from home.
What time's the meeting?
It's at 2. Conference room B.
I need a break.
Me too. Let's get some air.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sure. I said the deadline's been moved up.
Is Jane back from vacation yet?
Yeah, she got back yesterday.
Do you have to work this weekend?
Unfortunately, yes.
Did you get my email?
Yeah, I'll look at it this afternoon.
My computer's frozen again.
Have you tried restarting it?
When's your lunch break?
Around noon. Want to grab something?
How's the project coming along?
Almost done. Just a few more things.
Hey, it's me. Is this Tom?
No, sorry. You've got the wrong number.
Hi, is Emma there?
Hold on. Let me get her.
Can I talk to John?
He's not here right now.
Could you tell him I called?
Sure. What's your name?
I'll call you back in 5 minutes, okay?
Sounds good. Talk soon.
Sorry I missed your call. What's up?
No worries. I was just checking if you're free tonight.
All right, I should let you go.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Hey, sorry. My phone died. What's up?
Oh, I just wanted to ask you something.
Can I get your opinion on something?
Of course. What's going on?
Could I borrow your phone charger?
Yeah, no problem.
Do you know how this works?
I think you press this button here.
What does this mean?
It says, no entry.
Can you wait here for a second?
Sure. Take your time.
Remind me to call Jane later, okay?
Will do.
Where's the nearest gas station?
I'm not sure. Let me look it up. Wait, what do you mean? I mean, it's been postponed until next week.
Sorry, you're going too fast. Can you slow down?
Oh, sorry. Let me start over.
Can we meet on Tuesday?
Tuesday's tough. How about Wednesday?
Thanks so much for your help.
Anytime. Happy to help.
This isn't working.
What's wrong with it?
I don't feel well.
What's wrong? Do you have a fever?
It's too noisy in here.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere quieter.
The Wi-Fi's not working again.
Not again. I'll reset the router.
This is so frustrating.
I know. It's driving me crazy, too.
I'm worried about the presentation.
You'll do great. Don't stress.
Oh no, I spilled coffee everywhere.
Quick, grab some paper towels.
I'm going to be late.
Just text them and let them know.
My phone's acting weird.
Have you updated it recently?
We've got a problem.
What happened?
This movie is really good.
I know, right? I love it.
I think we should leave now.
Actually, I'd like to stay a bit longer.
I started learning guitar.
Really? That's cool. How's it going?
I'm so bored.
Same. Want to do something?
She speaks 5 languages.
Wow, that's incredible.
Which one do you like better?
I prefer the blue one.
Pizza or pasta?
I don't mind. Either's fine.
The event's been cancelled.
Aw, that's too bad. I was looking forward to it.
All right, I've got to go.
Okay, see you later.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Take care.
Chitchat English